All right, so for the past week or so, all the rage in AI and kind of tech in general has been the new models coming out of China, the Deepseek, right? There was a kind of panicked the U.S. stock market. There was an impromptu Black Friday sale on NVIDIA stock yesterday. And so I wanted to try one of these Deepseek models, a distilled version. We'll talk about that in just a second. And I wanted to do it with RAG. I wanted to do it with being able to access some local documents and analyze those. So as you see up here, I'm using LM Studio, and it's got to be a beta version. If you go download the main LM Studio site and you download the newest main version, it's not going to have the ability to add in local files. So you need to go download the beta version. So 0.2.31 is not going to do it, but 0.39 will have this capability built in. The model we're using right here is Deepseek R1 Distill. And anytime you see distill on a model, what that means is basically the same way you can distill knowledge onto someone else. You're taking a smaller, inferior model and giving it access to a larger one to improve itself, right? And so that's what's going on right here. So it's a Llama 8B kind of distilled this Deepseek R1. So that's the model that's loaded in here to LM Studio. We're going to create a new chat. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to give it access to all of the chats from this GitHub repository right here. We have a GitHub repository of ransomware chats. And so I took all of these JSON files and I made one text file with them. So with that, let's get that loaded up here. We will upload this total that I made right here, and we will ask it this prompt. We will say, paste this in, analyze these ransomware chats and give me 10 high quality recommendations for organizations dealing with ransomware on the chats, based on the chats. So let's send this in. I'm running a NVIDIA 4070 graphics card on this, so it's a good graphics card, not a top of the line, amazing. And if we see here, right, that's one of the things that's making Deepseek famous is its thinking, a very similar process to the O1 chat GPT models that we can kind of see walking through thoughts. And we can sit here and actually visualize some of what's going on, right? It's analyzing these files, right? It's clear, like, and it's just going through its entire thought process, and you'll watch it correct itself, fix itself. It's really kind of amazing. And so then when it's done, based on the analysis of the provided ransomware chats, here are 10 high quality recommendations for organizations. And you see implement robust backup solutions, adopt secure file sharing practices, develop a clear incident response plan. This is really kind of cool, right? And so having these high quality models that are getting to the level of, a chat GPT that we can run locally and give it access to our own documents that we don't want to share with anyone else or upload to the internet, really, really cool. So like I said, there's been a lot of hype around it. I wanted to test this and show you how kind of easy it is to do it locally on your system. If you have any comments, anything like this, or you play around with this and find anything cool, let me know. Thanks.